So you've probably been seeing all the talk about 100 people versus a gorilla. Here's what to do in a 1 versus 1 against one of those bad boys. Make sure to hit that like and sub if this video helps. Step 1, understand the gorilla's strength. First, let's be clear, gorillas are super strong, like 10 times stronger than a human. So fighting them with brute force, not the way to go. Step 2, use your speed and agility. Gorillas are strong, but not as fast or agile as humans. If you have to face one, use your speed to your advantage. Keep your distance, and if you can, climb. Gorillas are big, but they aren't built for climbing like humans are. Step 3, stay calm and analyze the situation. Keep cool under pressure. Gorillas are intelligent animals and they can read body language. If you seem scared or threatening, you'll make it worse. Stay calm, make yourself look bigger, and try to avoid direct confrontation. Step 4, use tools or environment. If you're in a situation where you're facing a gorilla, use the environment. Grab something to defend yourself like a branch or a rock, but remember, gorillas can use tools too, so don't get cocky. Step 5, escape is key. Ultimately, your best chance is to escape safely. Gorillas are territorial, so if you can back off slowly without provoking it, you'll likely live to tell the tale. Avoid eye contact and never turn your back. So how do you win against a gorilla? Simple, you can't pull it off, buddy. You better try to get yourself out of there. But if you're stuck, use your speed, stay calm, and remember this video right before your brain gets bashed. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more survival tips and comment for any other how-to you might need.